Yo, YouTube. I'm dressed very demure because I'm going to church. What's going on, man? Another POV. Of course. It's Friday. I ain't go to work today. I'm currently in the process of looking for another job. My job right now is doing me dirty. But, man, if y'all not subscribed, go ahead. Subscribe and like. We're at 350 right now. Close to 400, 50 more subscribers. We're at 400, man. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers before the 2026. I think we can do it. But yeah, man, my job, like, let me just break it down to y'all. So I'm an apprentice, right? And long story short, there's no positions open and my apprenticeship is about to end. So I'm gonna keep getting paid what I'm getting paid now and not get paid my full thing, if that makes sense. I think it's missed. I don't know, but it's whatever. So, you know, gotta do what you gotta do. I'm looking around now. Again, job hunting is alright. I already got 2 interviews locked in. I had one today and I got one tomorrow. See, that's what you call locked in, for real. But right now, I'm on my way to get some, not Starbucks, some Dunkin' Donuts. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Starbucks getting kind of overrated. I've been drinking it back and back and back, but it's getting kind of repetitive. Oh, look at that truck. Pretty paint. Oh, look at that. What is that? GRD6. I think that's what it's called. Those are clean. Is there a company I don't know about? But I'm on my way to Dunkin' Donuts right now. Get some refresher drink. See what's up with that. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this little POV. I hope y'all, if y'all did not watch tomorrow's, if y'all didn't, another Q50. If y'all didn't watch yesterday's POV, go ahead and watch it. Me and my boys was on the highway. We was just having some fun. If y'all like highway POVs, man, go ahead and watch that. It was posted yesterday. But yeah. Hellcat. If y'all, man, y'all didn't hear that one. Bro, this light's taking a while, I ain't gonna lie. Is it my turn? Oh, it's not my turn. Bro, I gotta find a new way to put this mic. It's like a big block on my head. That's what my old car used to look like. It was a M45. It was a gem. Not many people know about them. Hey, was he picking his boogers? Y'all seen that? I don't know if it's just me, bro. Do y'all just like stare at drivers like, hold on, I think I know. I think I went to school with that guy. Hold on, that's crazy. That's so funny. Yo, he look kind of swole. But yeah, man. I don't know if that's just me, but I should be staring at people like when you pass by in the car. I'm not a creep. I'm just like, no, it's something to do. Oh, I don't even know what I'm gonna get. Let's see what they got. Oh, my girl, she wanted a refresher. I know that. But what do I want? I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of hungry, dude. That's a 2020. That's a newer. That's like the Gen 2 MT40. I was thinking about, I don't know, bro. Should I get that next? Yo, mission success. Look what I got. I got Munchkin Donuts. Bro, these are so good. Listen. Yo, is he low-key beeping? Bro, I like Munchkin Donuts just cause. Should I give him a poo? I like Munchkin Donuts cause 110 is $3.30. Well, $3.30 for 10. And I'm not gonna lie, they're big balls. Like they're good size. Pause. And I feel like you get a little bit of everything For $3, bro, think about it. One donut is like $1. You get 3 donuts. There's no variety. Damn. These turn signals always be clogging up traffic. But just think about it. You get like so many variety of different flavored donuts for only $3. Come on, can you really beat that? I'm not even being stingy with my money, bro. I think it's a good deal. Like I've never tried this donut, and I never would have gotten this donut, but we're gonna try it today. Damn. Donut dry. Oh, is that me? It's only kind of dry, I'm not gonna lie. There you go. Jeez, I swallowed that donut. Bro. I'm gonna stop yapping though. I don't want to be boring. I'll just make it like a, you know, little fun POV. Let's get past that school zone and we'll do a little pool. Damn, bro, am I going too slow for y'all? It's a school zone. What's y'all respect? Get ready, y'all. Let's go slow so the wind distortion isn't as bad. I did a pool in that school zone, right, in the X5, and it was morning time. There was a Georgia State Patrol right behind me, bruh. The car was stocked though, so there was no lot of burgles or no loud, you know, pops or nothing. So he couldn't really. I mean, I don't know, bro. I took off, bro. I went from like 40 to like 80 and like that, and he was just standing there. Like you could tell I put distance on him, and he was just there. And he didn't do nothing. I'm not complaining. Yeah, hear that? I hear the other car. Damn, this thing is on. Ugh, this one again. That airplane like it's flying low. Y'all see that? Uh-oh, motorcycle. Never mind, it's a moped. But I want to get a motorcycle. I was gonna say a motorcycle. I want to get a motorcycle so bad. My God, bro. I'm not eating another one of those. Yes. I want to get an E36 so bad. I want an E36 as a daily though. If I was to get an E36 as a daily, I'd probably honestly like put upgraded turbos on this one. Oh, this is a new one. It looks old and wrinkly. I think it's blueberry. Blueberry. What you got left? Damn, but that blueberry is strong. That looks like a distinct taste in your mouth. Honestly, didn't think I'd make it. But that ladder looks like it's gonna fly right on me. I watched Final Destination. Jeez, bro, why all on one side? You can distribute the weight. That Kia Soul's on that, but I gotta eat this powdery one. But I'll eat the powdery one next because I don't want it to be the last donut I eat. Because then that's the last flavor I got in my mouth. I feel greedy, but I didn't save it for my girl. She gonna see the bag. Where's my donut? Oh, was that S2000? I'm gonna probably cut the video here, you guys. Oh, it was a small POV, man. I just wanted to pick up the camera and record. Maybe I did. Yeah, just stay tuned for more videos, bro. I'm not gonna say much. If y'all like the videos, continue to watch them. That was corny. Y'all see how I said like a one-liner, then just do like a little pool. Who does bro think he is? Alright, y'all, but I'll see y'all in the next video.